Adam?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
Yeah, is repairing a car in which music will be played, haram things, etc. But there's also things which are okay, constitute in helping in sin.
I didn't get your question. If your parent call?
No. If is repairing a car.
Repairing a car, okay.
Yeah, in which haram stuff and okay stuff maybe are done in it, such as playing music, would that constitute in sin?
When you repair a car, do you mean you're a car mechanic?
Yeah.
So when you repair a car, are you repairing it so that people would have intimacy in the back seat? Or are you repairing it so that they blast the music to the fullest? Or are you repairing it so that they can go with it to a synagogue or to a church? Of course not. You're repairing it because it's a vehicle that people use to go to places, which is a halal means of transportation. What they do in the process is none of your business or mine. So therefore, don't jump to conclusions. You are repairing a car, that's fine. What's the reason? What are they using it for? It's none of my business. And whatever is used, it's like saying, if I help my father breathe the air in the room, though he smokes outside. So if he gets a stroke, should I help him? Because if I help him, he will smoke outside. What is this? It's totally unrelated to the main thing, which is helping your father and giving him medical assistance and the likes, and Allah knows best.